Welcome to the Delavan-Darien Technical School, where our students are equipped with real-life skills, career readiness, and strong community ties.
Our programs empower students to earn while they learn, gaining valuable durable skills that pave the way for lifelong success. Let's hear from some of the students about the impact of these opportunities and how DD Tech made it all possible.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm a senior in DD Tech. DD Tech has given me the opportunity to take classes that are related to my career goal while being a youth apprentice and starting my own business. I'm currently an apprentice at Simple Bakery and was able to start this before my junior year of high school. Through DD Tech and my apprenticeship, I've discovered my passion for business and hospitality and made the commitment to start my own business called Chillable. I'm currently in the midst of renovating a food truck and building out a commissary kitchen. Through DD Tech, I've gained opportunities in the industry that I've never imagined. The confidence and career skills I've gained all started here.
Hi, I am Thor Amundsen. I'm a sophomore in DD Tech. My dream has been to have a career in agriculture, and DD Tech is helping me accomplish those dreams. Being in this program has provided me with greater opportunities to learn about how agriculture has an impact on the world. My biggest takeaway from DD Tech is probably the networking and job opportunities. I currently work as a farmhand for Rock Creek Innovations, and I'm excited to be able to use the job I have now as a youth apprenticeship next year. It's difficult work, but it's high yielding as well. DD Tech's programs have supported me in making it easier to get more connections that could lead to a higher position.
Hi, I'm Parker Krebley, a 2023 DD Tech graduate. Enrolling in DD Tech got me into the construction industry, specifically plumbing. My construction classes helped to build my technical skills and what industry I wanted to pursue. Through DD Tech, I was able to get in contact with Southern Lakes Plumbing and Heating, where I started my youth apprenticeship. After graduation, I bridged my youth apprenticeship into a registered apprenticeship. Now, 2 years later, I'm still here gaining advanced skills every day and doing what I love. DD Tech opened the doors to this career path for me, and I'm very thankful.
Our students are thriving through the great programs we have to offer at Delavan-Darien School District. They're gaining more than just a diploma. They're leaving with practical skills and a solid foundation for career, community, and life success.
So what are you waiting for? Schedule a tour today to meet our dedicated staff and discover our innovative programs. Become part of the Comet Nation family today.